Ditch the endless customer service emails and boost your Wix website with a super smart AI chatbot in just a few easy steps. First, head over to your Wix website editor and look for the apps icon on the left-hand side of your screen. Give it a click to access the Wix App Market. Now, in the App Market search bar, type in Chatbot to explore the different chatbot apps available for Wix. Take your time to browse through the search results, paying close attention to the ratings, reviews, and features offered by each chatbot app to find the perfect fit for your needs. Consider factors like pricing, customization options, and integration capabilities. Once you have found an app that ticks all your boxes, click on it, and then click the Add to Site button to install the chatbot on your website. Next, the chatbot settings panel will appear within the Wix editor, allowing you to customize its appearance, behavior, and functionality. Here, you can configure the chatbot's welcome message, design its appearance to match your brand, and set up automated responses to frequently asked questions. Tailor the chatbot to engage your visitors effectively. And that's it. Publish your website, and your AI chatbot will now be live, ready to enhance customer engagement and provide automated support, making your Wix website a customer service powerhouse.